So here's how to add follow button to your Facebook page. Let's get started. First of all, let me just mention you that if you go to your profile of any of the Facebook page and then simply tap on the three dots and tap as view as, simply go with that, and as you can see you got a like button like this because Facebook has recently removed the follow button that you have onto the Facebook pages like before. So if you tap on the like button, then it will automatically select as followers. All right, so you cannot actually make a follow button to the Facebook page. All right, so you need to go back and go back, and again if you just go with a profile, like if you have a Facebook profile, then simply go with the profile like this, tap on the profile icon and go to the profile like this, and then from here you need to tap on the three dots to find out the turn on professional mode. So if you just tap on the professional mode and simply turn on the professional mode, then you can get a follow button. All right, so let me just go with that. Simple, just go with the next upload like this, and if you go with that and simply go with that, so now if you just tap on the view as option, and now as you can see we got a follow button rather than add friend request option. All right, so there you have it. I have shown you how you can do that. So if this video helps, if yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.